Daisy here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I've got another TMG trailer package out here today. Now this one's shipping out to my man Ted out in Georgia, and Ted's got quite the setup here, really came out slick. So let's check her out before she leaves. Now up front, well, first off, it is on our TMG trailer package. Now this is a 2,000-pound trailer here, independent torsion axles on the rear, so a smooth ride. But what's really nice about these trailers is they're very narrow. So we're under 5 foot wide. It's got a fold down jack with double wheel setup on the front, so you can unhook it from your truck, roll it around in your garage, makes it easy to maneuver around. Now up front here, we've got a single propane burner with a griddle top. So the griddle top folds up out of the way. Super heavy duty griddle top, all 1/4 inch plate. Fold back down. He did add a couple cup holders up here. We got a little stainless steel insert, just a little more shelf space. Speaking of stainless steel, he got a full length stainless steel front shelf here on the trailer as well. A little more stainless steel accents on the old Heritage 48 here, looking slick. Opened up the main chamber. So this is a 48-inch long, 24-inch deep smoker. Now this is a reverse flow unit, so we got the stack on the firebox side here. We got removable reverse flow plates, direct the heat all the way across the bottom, back out of the stack. He did get our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers as well. Now come around to the hot box. Now this is our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America, all right? And we do have our removable plate in here with daisy wheels, so you can get direct fire in here, you can smoke in here, use it as a warmer. A really versatile setup. Come around to the firebox. Now this is just our standard firebox, all 1/4 inch plate steel. He did add a fire management cradle in there, as well as there's an ash clean out on the bottom. One more little piece of stainless steel back here. As y'all can tell, Ted really likes stainless steel. We got a rear stainless steel stationary shelf back here. Plenty of storage along the back. Guys, you'll notice on this trailer, there's wire mesh under the whole thing. So even though it looks small, you do have a lot of storage space on this deal. Guys, that is Ted's trailer shipping out today. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.